So when I started making a video, right? And every time somebody makes a video, you have an intro to your video, right? To say who you are. And this is what I made, and I downloaded on my phone, so I like to get it, so I don't lose it. This is how it starts. This is how it starts. Why did it start?
Cat, and then again cats, not cats. Cats are the most fantastic thing that ever happened to me. But I'm gonna be a horse. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter if I'm a horse. I like being horses too. Horses are special kind of thing that gotta hide. Run, stop. Run, stop. Run, stop. Stop, get a lot of them. Run. I don't want to shoot anybody, but if it's gonna come up, then it might as well be somebody that I don't care about. I don't think that was supposed to happen, but oh god. I am scared. I am deeply scared every time. I am scared. I get too scared. I was about to shove it out there, and I did. I don't want to do anything else to surprise anybody. Yeah, this is not gonna be not gonna be right now. Yeah, I don't want to shoot anybody. That's the worst thing. I will shoot. Dang it. Now I gotta find other players. This is gonna be really hard. Yeah, I don't like doing this. Hate your cats, but if I have to, they will. There's a cat somewhere here, or somewhere near. There is a sheep right there too. I don't really I like chicken a lot, and if I need to, I will have to. And I just found a chicken. Get in the way, you coward. Damn, you got away. Chicken that got away. Whoa, the chicken that got away. Whoa. I had a little lag there. Not ready for lag. Sorry, I am not. I am not ready for lag. Sorry, no. I do not like lag. Lag is the worst thing that can happen to me. I will, if I was a person, I would kill them. They'd be proud because I went to jail killing lag. Happens a lot. Then I killed you! I shot you in the face! I shot you in the face! Come here, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. They don't like chickens. Damn animals, though. That would have been me if I didn't do anything. Damn it. Should have done nothing. Alright. Go back to the lobby. Just gonna go back. I was jumping there for a second. I'm gonna do some build battle next. So, like, building stuff. I may rage because I didn't do it. But I may rage also. Did I say I would rage? I don't know, but I'm a boring person. If you meet me ever, I don't know what to say. Pumpkin. Piranhas. I like Joy better. Oh, pumpkin one. Anyways, I don't like pumpkins so much. They scare me, honestly. No, they don't scare me. I just don't like them. I don't know why I don't like them. No. First video, don't really like stuff. Either me and my brother playing it. My brother plays a lot. Not this, but I'm on his profile. I don't have one yet. I would like to have a profile, Minecraft profile. But he will also play other games. Don't know which he would play, but he will play other games. Like pumpkins. Don't know why I chose it either. Just because I want to be scared of them. Why do I want to be scared by pumpkins? They creep me out. I like pumpkins, just don't like them on the inside. Too gooey. Just like PewDiePie said. Smells like your mama, me. I don't know. I don't really know. I don't speak loud. If you can't hear me, I don't speak loud. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a professional builder. I would say that because I really am not one. But I like to think I am because I like the way I build. Sometimes. Now I don't really have enough time, which I hate when I don't. I don't have a time to build fish, to build pumpkins, mama, I don't really care. I'm trying to concentrate. Don't really know what it's going to look like, which I hate when that happens. me, my brother, alright, destroy that, there we go, and then we destroy the bottom ones, here we go. Oh, I am professional, I'm just kidding about that. Okay, now the face, I messed it up already. I gotta get rid of them. 2 minutes. Oh, I could start raging right now. So much right now. I would scream my head off if I like to, but I don't want to. Face. No, that's wrong. What am I doing? What am I doing to my leg? I really don't know. I don't like the way I rage. If I'm ever quiet, just they'll tell me to shut up. I will appreciate that. I made it creepier than it would seem. Yeah. Really don't hate me. Alright, go. Just put the stuff here. I'm not gonna win. I used to play this a lot, and I am forgetting how to make my own pumpkin. It's either my big brother's gonna play. Let's see what others make. Oh, that looks like a good pumpkin. I just really can't see it. Oh my god. I'm gonna vote very great for them. I'm just gonna go better. Anyone know what is next to me, because it's gonna be like that. Oh no, I don't know what to do anymore. I guess I do that? That and that. I really don't know. I did that. I don't like that. Just gonna wait here. Oh, I think this is the one we saw. Oh, where's the face? Is this just like a pumpkin? It's okay. There's no face, no. Ooh, this one's sort of okay. They tried to make it. This is a green one. A watermelon. Oh.